Leonardo, this is the line integral that I did. This is the function I think that you put. This is the path. The path 1, the first path goes from x equals 0 to x equals 1 and y 0 on the first path. The second path is x equals 1 and y vary from y1 to y2. And the second path goes through the line y equal to x. So let's go to do the line integral, the complete circulation. Starting from here, we go here, we go here, we go here, of this function. Okay, of this vector field. So on the first path, the y0, because you are going here, y0, and x vary from 0 to 1. So the line integral will be the y0, so this will be 0, and because the y is 0, this will be 0, so the line integral for the first path will be 0. The second path goes from x equal 1. X doesn't vary. If x doesn't vary, x equal 1, ddx is 0. So the first part of the line integral is 0. And the second part is from x equal 1, so I plug in the x equal 1, and I do the integral of y cubed ddy. Y cubed ddy is y4 divided by 4 between 0 and 2, 0 and 2, let me correct this, 0 and 2. So it will be 2 to the 4 is, it will be how much? It will be 2 to the 3. It will be 8. This will be 8. And the third path, is y equal to x. It means that dy is 2 times ddx. So I will plug in here x by y. Y is 2x. And it varies from x equal 1 to x equal 0. So it will be x by 2x ddx. And the second integral is the integral of x squared, y cubed will be 2 by 2 by 2, x cubed. 8x cubed by dy. Dy is 2 times ddx. So if you do the calculation, it will be 2x cubed, 2x squared. The integral will be x cubed divided by 3 between x equal 1 and x equal 0. You are coming back through this path, plus 8 times x5, 8 times x5, and the 2 I think I forgot. I forgot this 2, so it will be, let me check it again, x5 is x6 divided by 6, and here will appear as 16. Okay, so it will be, the first integral will be minus 2/3, and the second integral will be minus 16 divided by 6, minus 16 divided by 6. So this will be minus 4/6 minus 16 divided by 6. And this will be minus 20 divided by 6, minus 20 divided by 6. So what we have? We have that the total integral is 1/2 here. The total integral is 0 for the path 1. What is the second path? The second path is here, and the calculation is 8 from y equals 0 to y equals 2. Is y4 is 2 to the 4 to 3 is 8. So the total integral will be plus 8 minus 20 divided by 4. Minus 20 divided by 4. So the total integral will be 32 divided by 4 minus 20 divided by 4. 32 divided by 4 minus 20 is 12. divided by 4. So it will be a positive integral. Well, maybe I did a mistake, or maybe you did the mistake. I don't know. Can you check it, what I did? Now you learn how to do the line integral, doing directly. Okay.